Hi guys,
No
today
way.
I'm doing doorbell
Me doing
ending.
homework. Me and studying
For the
just
people
don't
that don't
go
know what
together.
this ending is, it is basically you ring the doorbell so much times that mom opens the gate. And you can escape. So let's start now. Let's me just search for loot and change it to daytime.
Get it!
Okay, I am done and we can start.
Why are you messing around with the pack?
One doorbell.
Wait a minute.
She is too slow.
Oh, terrible. Run away again!
Two doorbells.
I'm caught. And who was that?
Three doorbells.
Wait a minute.
This is just embarrassing.
Okay, let's wait for mom to get back to the kitchen.
Who was that? Alright.
Oh no, mom is going to water droplet the Christmas tree. No. Let's loot the kitchen. We got medical box key, let's go.
Let's go.
Nothing else looks like thumbs up. Mom is coming back.
Go check who's right.
Fourth doorbell.
Out now.
Faster.
I need to go pee.
Dad is going to pee now. Let's stay here. Fifth doorbell.
Strike the back! Strike the back! I'll show you. Ah, so close.
Sixth doorbell.
No worse. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
Okay, now it will
What
be
kind of
seventh doorbell.
circus is on the ice?
Okay, now mom is a bit fast dashing away.
Alright.
Mom is going to water the Christmas tree.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Mom is done watering the Christmas tree.
Oops. Someone wrote. I should check.
Eighth doorbell. I hope she runs out soon. Oh no, I think she saw us. Okay, I think we are good. Thumbs up.
How could you not see that?
Okay, this will be the 9th doorbell, I think, thinking face. Okay, she is kinda fast, not gonna lie.
I need to go pee.
Dad is going to pee, so that's not good.
Doorbell is mocking me.
I also turned the computer off. This will be the 10th doorbell. Oh no, I accidentally moved the shelf.
Well, this table wasn't standing like
Hell
that!
no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Where did you go?
I need to hide somewhere now. I am a genius for staying calm and going outside. There is a plank there. Oh no, she saw us. I will be a genius and get away with this, just watch.
Just let me know where you are. Come out!
Okay, we are doing good. I think we are good. Okay, we got away just like that.
Time is ticking!
Now let's ring the 11th doorbell. Okay, this is the 11th doorbell. I wonder when she will open the gate. She did not open the gate. Okay, now it will be the 12th doorbell.
Come on, come on!
It's the 12th one. She did not open the gate. Okay, now it's the 13th doorbell. And also this ending is true, I have done it before. 13th doorbell.
We're so slow! I'll go check the phone.
She did not open yet. Okay, now 14th doorbell. Mom just opened the gate now. No, not yet.
Ah, so close! Come on, fast, fast! Come on, come on!
15th doorbell. Maybe she will open the gate now. No, not yet.
Come on, go, 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 go!
16th doorbell. She has to open the gate now. She did not open the gate yet. 17th doorbell now. Not yet. 18th doorbell. Okay, now it's 19th doorbell. She opened the gate now. Yes.
Let's go.
Stop!
We have done it. Okay, bye guys, see you next time.